Let's see if this is the song that they use when I was in preschool.
Let's see now. Stop. Okay. Drop. Like this. And then roll around. Oh, hi kids. I'm Stan. And I'm practicing what you're supposed to do in case your clothes catch on fire. I guess it'd be kind of hard to stop and think if you caught on fire. But maybe if I practice enough, I won't have to think about it. Maybe it'll just come to me. The important thing is that you're not supposed to run around. You're supposed to stop, drop, and roll. Let me tell you exactly what I'm talking about. Listen here, everybody, I got something to say. A lesson everybody should learn. If you're in a fire, better really be cool. Cause if you panic, man, you sure can burn. And if your clothes begin to blaze, don't you lose control. Just stop, 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 drop and roll.
I don't think it is.
That's right, you just stop, drop and roll.
Oh, it might be.
Stop, drop and roll. Don't run, but stop, drop and roll. Yeah. Stop, drop and roll. Well, it's only fire safety be our goal. You just stop, stop, drop and roll. You understand what I'm saying to you? Well, you know that a fire is a dangerous thing. I'm telling you it isn't a game. When you catch a fire and you run all around, well, don't you know you stand up flame. So if your clothes begin to blaze, don't you lose control. Just stop, drop and roll. We're cooking now. You just stop, drop and roll. Don't panic. Stop, drop and roll. Yeah, you gotta stop, drop and roll. Use your head. Stop, drop and roll. That's right. Let's all make fire safe to be our goal. You just stop, drop and roll. Saying to you, I know you'll be safer if you call in a fire, and you will know exactly what to do. Cause if your clothes begin to blaze, you will lose control. You just stop, drop and roll.
Oscillating, not rolling.
You just stop, drop and roll. Yes, I say stop, drop and roll. You've got to.
This might be the song, actually.
Yeah, you just stop, drop and roll. So let's all make fire safe to be our goal. We just stop, drop and roll. Yeah, let's all make fire safe to be our goal. You just stop, drop and roll. Yeah. Well, I guess I'd better be going. I gotta go change my clothes. All this stop, drop, and rolling has really made a mess of them. Bye now.
Why would they want to do this now?